In this video, we will generate the dataset of cosine and its infinite product series expansion. We begin with the dataset of cosine. This is array formula, cosine of the x values, negative 3.2 to positive 3.2. And the expansion, the infinite series expansion, which is pi times the quantity 1 plus x squared over pi times the quantity n minus 0.5 the quantity squared, where the value of n is from 1 to infinity. And we continue with the product, which is array formula. That is 1 minus, so 1 minus x squared, so that's x squared, x raised to the power 2, divided by, there are two parts. The first part is pi squared, so pi squared. The second part is the quantity n minus 0.5, so n minus 0.5 raised to the power 2 and close parenthesis and enter. Now we can complete the expansion. So array formula, or this should be product of this, because it's product. And we drag this downward. Now we can chart this. Insert chart. And we use scatter chart. Column is label, row 1 is header, and show the trend line under series, trend line, the type, polynomial, the degree, 8 degree. For the legend, use the equation. So here we have the polynomial of the cosine and its infinite series expansion. You will notice there is an error on these ends because our value for n is from 1 to 9. We can increase that to 100 or infinity, and this error will be reduced. And our polynomial regression coefficients, 1, it's 0.5, 0.498, are just almost the same. This is 0, this is also 0, x cubed, 0.0416, 0.0361, there's a bit of error. As the power increases, the error also increases. This completes the use of product to generate the infinite product series expansion of cosine.